Instant paid influencer review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this program or the offer called instant paid influencer. So we are on their sales page right now, which shows the system that pays you for posting done for you content. They pay them $3,000 a month for posting done for you content to their website. Okay, we'll come to that in a moment. All right. Then you can watch this video and no actual work. That's how these $17 products go on Varia Plus. No work. Everything is like blah, blah, blah and make money. Okay. So all you need to do is just take out your credit card, just type in the card numbers and give it to them. And that's how you make money. Do you understand? Take out your credit card, punch in your card numbers on your phone screen or laptop screen, hand over your money, and that's how you make money. Does that make sense? Not to me. We'll talk about it. Have some, spend some time. Because if you don't, then you will screw yourself. So you won't be creating anything no one else is doing. All traffic is included, instant setup, no experience needed. That is important. No experience needed because if you will be an experienced person, you will ask questions. Okay? You will ask questions that, okay, why this, why that? Anyways, we'll come to that in a moment. So let's see what's the claims do we have. There's step 1, 2, 3 process. I saw somewhere. There you go. So number one step is we will show you how to set up your system. That will take 10 minutes. Good. Use our clever AI to automatically create engaging posts. Okay. And we'll show you how to post them so you can get the same results we get. All right. Doesn't talk about money here. Anyway, so looks like you have to generate some audio clips using AI. That can be done. Okay. And then you're supposed to post those clips on that website they are not talking about right now in the intro video. So they are talking about some website where you have to go and post these audio clips, and somehow you're supposed to make money. Maybe somebody else will pay you the money. You might be working for somebody else, managing their social media profiles, whatever. Okay. So that's the concept behind this. And there is a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Good luck in getting the money back. And let's get back to the top. So this is the video. You're supposed to watch this video, okay? And as I said in the beginning, how do you make money? You take out the credit card, punch in your card numbers, give the money to them. That's how you make money. Come back here. They start with what? They start with $17. Have you seen any of these prices on the sales page? Come here. Let's go from top to bottom. I don't see anything other than 17. Do you? $17.97. Cool, right? Then what is this? What is this, this, and this, and this? It means they want you to get into 17. That's why they show you the minimum. After you get in, after you have punched in the card numbers, then they will ask you to pay more, maybe less, maybe more, maybe less, maybe more, less. Doesn't really matter because if I maybe show you the profile of the vendor, they are doing their job. So these people have a job in their hands. It is their business. What is their business? Their business is to launch products on Varia Plus and sell to you in the name of making money online so that they can keep making money online. I don't care if the product is good or bad inside. I'm not talking about what you will learn, what is inside the program. I don't give a damn. Okay. But before we continue the video, because it will be flashing just below the video at the bottom saying grow your money 27%, not with the system. Not with the system at all, okay? If you click on the first link below, you will come to this page, enter your email, blah, blah, blah. You will come to this page, watch this video. I have created this software which prints money and I give you 5 years money back guarantee. 5 years money back guarantee I give you, okay? Now, who am I? Who the fuck am I? I have been doing these reviews even 4 years ago, 5 years ago. In the beginning of my YouTube, I did these reviews for 2.5 years, I guess. And then it was very frustrating for me because I find people so stupid on the internet. They want to make money by buying something in $20. That pissed me off big time. And I went away from YouTube. Went away means I changed my field. What I did this. I did this. This is called trading. Okay. I did this. I changed my field from these stupid reviews. Then I did trading. And eventually, after learning and mastering in last 3-4 years, I have created my own robot with my own mind. I'm using my brain. So this software which I'm talking about, which prints money on autopilot, it's actually my human brain inside the software, which will be working on the charts. Okay. So 3 years ago, 4 years ago, when I was doing these stupid reviews on Varia Plus, I did not have anything to offer which can literally print money and you have to do nothing. Back then, 4 years ago, I was thinking that there's no such thing which can actually print money without doing anything. And I was right until unless I have broken the code and I have created this thing, which is the software printing money. Okay. You will understand nothing until you see this video. So for that, you need to click on the first link below and then come and spend the time here. It's free to watch, but it's not free to get. But it's also not for broke people. Okay. Because print money here means that your money will be working for you. You need to have money and then let the money work for you and buy sell and just make money. Okay, it's not for people who are broke. If you have $20, $50, $100, $500, if you have $1,000, it's not for you. My system is not for you if you have $1,000. Okay, so understand, it's only for people who got the money. Okay, but you can always check out the video and get yourself familiar what I'm talking about. Coming back to let's waste my time now. So you will be coming across these products with different names, with different vendors, people on the camera coming with different faces, all because they have to sell you. I don't blame them. I don't blame them at all because it is their business which they have developed in last 10 years. They have worked on on their business, and their business forces them to sell you something every now and then, again and again. Otherwise, how will they make money? Okay. So this time they have come up with the instant paid influencer. And again, in this video, they just say, oh, we have found a loophole, magic, this and that. Just I told you in the beginning, how do you make money? Do you remember? I gave you classes, master classes. You take out your credit card, you punch in your card numbers, you pay them. That's how you make money. Really? Good luck. Okay, you're not talking to you're not listening to some stupid person. Okay, I have done this. I have done it. Okay, 5 years ago I was doing these reviews. Then I changed my field. I went into trading. I created my own freaking robot, the software which prints money now. And I have something to offer to the public, to my audience, which I did not have. Like 4 years ago, I was saying, come on YouTube. You can still come on YouTube. I was saying, come on YouTube, buy my program, this and that. You can still do that. But for those people who are lazy, who are actually looking for a system to print money by doing nothing, by farting. You want to fart all day, but still you want to make money. That is the system I have created now. You set the system and forget it for number of months, for number of years, and just forget it. You come back after every month and check how much money did you make. Okay, that's how the system works, and I'm giving you 5 years money back guarantee. 5 years is a long time, mate. All right, what we got here? So I do not care if the product is good or bad. Doesn't really matter, because their job is to get you into their funnel. After that, or you suck them, or they suck you, I don't know, but you're being sucked into the funnel. Okay, so your credit card being sucked, more money, more money, more money, more or less, more or less, more or less, but they get the money, you get nothing. What do you get? You go to this website. You go to this website, you sign up, okay, and then you generate some AI clips, audio clips, you post that, and somebody's gonna come and pay you. I don't care what the process is. You know what? What do you have in control? You only can masturbate, that's in your control, okay? That's in your hands if you have both. But when you go and join a website, you are not in control. They can suspend your account anytime. Do you even think about these things? Let's say you go on a random means you go on a website, XYZ website, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, this, that, whatever website it is they're using, I don't care. But do you know you're not in control? Somebody needs to remind you you are not in control, which means today you sign up the account, you go and post, let's say 1, 2, 5, 10 audio clips. Somehow, if they suspend or deactivate your account, what will you be able to do? Nothing. So why are you wasting your, you know, Anyways, so yeah, let's not waste my time. If you grab this, what the name is, these, you can't even remember the name of these things, okay? So whatever the name is, instant something something, instant paid influencer. So I can talk all day, but remember, let's say before watching my video, or before before you got the email about this product, before you got to know about instant paid influencer, you might be in your garden, you might be driving, you might have been in the kitchen, you might have been watching some program, you might have been doing something in your life, and all of a sudden now you will become instant paid influencer. What? I was doing gardening half an hour ago, 1 hour ago. I was cooking meal in the kitchen 1 hour ago. And now all of a sudden I will become instant paid influencer. What? Really? Get a life. Okay. Get a life, and get back to your real life. In a real life, you don't make money in $20. Anything which you buy from Warrior Plus, I can guarantee you will not make money. Okay. I am only doing this review just because I have got the system now which prints money on autopilot. Otherwise, I have no reason to come back and do these stupid reviews. Nothing. I will not waste my time. Okay. But I do have the system now which does prints money. And it's my duty and responsibility, because 4 years ago, I did not have any such system which can literally print the money while you die. Even if you are dead, it will make money for your kids if you give them the system. That's how much powerful this is. Okay. Disclaimer is, it's not for everybody. It's only for people who got the money. So if the money is sitting in your bank account wasting there, then you can use that money to trade, and this system will print money all the time. Nothing is instant, but I'm giving you 5 years guarantee. Anyways, so go and click the first link below. Check out how to make real money. Real money is not made by buying something $20. Get back to your senses. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.